Start with good quality ingredients. This includes choosing the right type of spaghetti, e.g. semolina, whole wheat, etc., as well as selecting flavorful tomatoes and meats. Don't be afraid to add plenty of salt to the water when cooking the spaghetti. This will help to enhance the overall flavor of the dish. Be sure to properly drain the spaghetti after cooking. Allowing it to sit in a colander or strainer will allow excess water to drain off, resulting in a more flavorful and cohesive dish. If you're using a jarred tomato sauce, try adding in some fresh herbs or spices to give it an extra kick. Basil, oregano, and garlic are all great options. If you're making a meat-based spaghetti, consider browning the meat before adding it to the sauce. This will help to give it a deeper, more complex flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of cheese. Parmesan is a classic choice, but consider trying out other options like Pecorino Romano or Asiago for a different twist. For a lighter, healthier twist on spaghetti, try using a vegetable-based sauce made with ingredients like zucchini, eggplant, or bell peppers. If you're making spaghetti with a cream-based sauce, try stirring in some grated nutmeg for a subtle, sophisticated flavor. To add some crunch and texture to your spaghetti, try topping it with toasted breadcrumbs or crumbled bacon. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal touch to the dish. Whether it's using a different type of pasta, adding in some unusual ingredients, or coming up with a unique sauce, the possibilities are endless.